Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. In this episode of Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef, we're going to prove a cook's secret that really tasty dishes don't have to be complicated. We are going to make a very simple cilantro, onion, and jalapeno relish that tastes great on tacos. It tastes great on burritos. It's very simple. Shh, don't tell all the other cooks. But you are really going to enjoy this whenever you have Mexican food. It even tastes really good on refried beans. So come on, let's cook. And here are the ingredients for our simple but delicious cilantro, onion, jalapeno relish. I think I just gave you the ingredients. Anyways, we have this cilantro, yum. We have an onion. We'll use half of this onion, that's a sweet onion, and a jalapeno. If you don't like it spicy, you can leave that out, and I guarantee you, just the onion and the cilantro will be plenty tasty enough. We're also just going to use a dash of salt, about a half teaspoon of salt, a little bit more if you like to. But let me show you how to put all this together. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is just chop the cilantro. Now, when I'm at home, I have to tell you the truth, when cilantro is this twiggy, I will cut the cilantro leaves off of it so that my cilantro relish isn't twiggy. But heck, we're camping, we're roughing it, so this cilantro relish can be a little bit rough too. So, can't do it with the safety on. There we go. So I'm just going down and just cut it probably into about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick pieces of cilantro. And this is a really easy chop. And this is also a relish that is just fine with a rough chop. You don't have to be super scientific about it, because all people are going to be after is that delicious cilantro taste. I love cilantro. It's such a sweet and green and springy aroma. Just reminds you of the good days. There we go. So I have my cilantro all chopped up. I'm just going to move it into this bowl. Okay, this is a great way to get some veggies into your diet if you're on the road. And I try to do that a lot with these step-by-step recipes because people are not getting enough vegetables. So the more we can sneak them into your diet, the better. And when we do it with delicious foods like this, like taco and burrito toppings, most of the people in your house, you and most of the people in your house will not realize they just actually ate vegetables. You know I'm kidding. Everybody loves veggies. So now what we're doing is just scoring the top. And I'm going about halfway down the onion. I don't want to use up all the onion. I'm going to use it in some other recipes. It's just not necessary. You can add more or less onion. This is a really sweet, sweet onion. And these gaps are about 1/8 of an inch. And then I'm just going perpendicular. Just did the parallel lines. And if you cut into the onion just deep enough so you get as much onion as you're going to use, that's plenty. There we go. Then you just cut down the face. See, you don't need a food processor out in the woods, not when you're with the Step-by-Step Chef. I try to keep it simple. I'm a simple man with a simple mission to eat. Okay, so there we are. We have about 1/2 cup of onion here. I'm telling you, just this mix as it stands right now will be delicious on any taco or burrito you choose to make. It'll be good on chicken, it will be good on beef, it will even be good on the seafood ones. I mean, it's just that multi-purpose. Now, the jalapeno, again, it's up to you. I like mine spicy. If you don't use it. Proceed directly up forward about 2 minutes to the part in this video where we add the salt, and you're done. Look at that. You guys who don't like jalapeno, you just made a delicious relish. But those of us who like it spicy, we got to work on. We got to toil. We have certain responsibilities. Get rid of those seeds. Now, if you're the kind of person who likes to touch their face a lot, don't cut this with your fingers. With your I mean, not cut it, but don't clean it out and all that with your fingers, because they're going to get hot. And if you go and you touch your eye, I don't want to have this voicemail saying, step by step, what were you thinking? Why didn't you warn me? Use a glove or a fork and a knife to cut this. So you can see I cleaned out the pulp and the seeds, and I'm just cutting the jalapeno lengthwise. And then I'll go sideways and just pretty much dice. I'd say technically that's a mince. Mince the jalapeno. And the jalapeno and the cilantro were rinsed off for our safety. We keep a clean kitchen. That's why we're still here. I'm just going to cut some of the big pieces. And then we just take this, add our dash of salt. You're assuming people are going to add salt at the table anyways to their tacos and burritos and refried beans and everything. And then we just give this a little bit of a stir. Get it nice and even. Yum. What a fresh aroma this has. It'll stand up to anything. Even my palate. Oh, that is good. So congratulations, look at what you just made. You just made this delicious cilantro, onion, and maybe jalapeno relish to go on your tacos, your burritos. I mean, heck, it even tastes good straight on a chip or thrown on some scrambled eggs. That's totally up to you. But if you like this recipe, please go to StepByStepChef.com, because there you will find a printable version of this recipe, along with printable versions of over 175 other breakfasts, lunch, and dinners, with links to videos that will show you how to make all these dishes the step-by-step way. Also, please check out, since we're doing cooking and camping with the Step-by-Step Chef, please check out the camping videos. If you're interested in getting into the great outdoors, I'm going to give you the essentials, the basics for camping. And then, just like my dishes, you can make it your own. So again, my name's Larry Richardson. I am your Step-by-Step Chef, and I'll see you in the next episode.